Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get more reviews on your Google Business Profile in 2026. More genuine customer reviews can improve your online reputation, increase trust, and help your business rank better in local search results. First, sign in to your Google Business Profile account. From the dashboard, go to Ask for Reviews or find your business review link. Copy the review link provided by Google. Now, share this link with your happy customers. You can send it through email, text messages, WhatsApp, social media, or include it on your website. The easier you make it, the more likely customers are to leave a review. Always ask customers politely after they've had a positive experience with your business. Never buy fake reviews or offer rewards in exchange for reviews, as this violates Google's policies and may result in reviews being removed. When customers leave reviews, make sure to respond to them promptly. Thank customers for positive feedback and reply professionally to negative reviews. Active engagement encourages more people to share their experiences. You should also keep your business profile updated with accurate information, photos, products, services, and regular posts. An active profile builds credibility and encourages customers to leave feedback. That's it. By following these simple tips, you can earn more authentic Google reviews and strengthen your online presence. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out our other Google Business Profile tutorials. Thanks for watching.